Hi guys, I'm Varun and we are going to be doing a very simple recipe today. Now as we all know that the Diwali season is on us and we have a lot of guests coming over to our house. So the first thing that we do to the guests when they come over is offer tea or coffee. So that's why I thought that I'll do a simple cookie recipe to go with that tea or coffee, inspired from the Indian Nankhatai. So what we're going to be doing today is a peanut butter Nankhatai short crust cookie that has been topped with toasted poppy seeds. So let's check out this recipe.